Have you ever wondered where the Igbo people really come from, or why their festivals feel like magic on earth, or how a simple bowl of soup can carry centuries of history? Well, grab a chair and sit close, because today we are going on a beautiful journey into the heart of Igbo land, a place full of music, colors, stories, and ancient wisdom that still lives. The Igbo people are one of the biggest families in Nigeria, and not just in Nigeria. You will also find them in Cameroon, Equatorial Guinea, and other nearby African countries. But their real home, it's a region in the southeastern part of Nigeria and other areas around the southeast. Now let's go way, way back, like hundreds of years ago. There was once a powerful kingdom called Nri. It wasn't just any kingdom. It was one of the oldest in all of West Africa. And guess what? That's where many say the Igbo people began. Remember, the Leja iron smelting site in Enugu State is over 2,000 years old, and according to archaeologists, is the oldest iron smelting site in the world. But the Igbo